Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Do you guys still see me? Because I feel like I have the exact same color as my background. I am so pale and I couldn't wait to film this video. I was like, no, you need to wait till Sunday and then finally you can do your fake tan routine. I don't think it's a secret that I feel the most confident, the most comfortable when I do have a little bit of a tan. Now that I'm pregnant, I avoid professional spray tans and I also avoid tanning beds because those can be, you don't know how your skin is going to react when it comes to pigmentation and stuff. And my skin is super sensitive for the sun because when I don't wear SPF, I can already see some like pigment spots right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not sure. So anyways, I am very mucho excited because I am going to have a tan right now. You guys probably know that I've been using tanrevel for quite some time now. I feel like a little over than half a year I've been working with them. So this video is sponsored by tanrevel and I'm just going to show you how I use this. I think I've never heard anyone saying like, hey, I didn't actually like the product that you recommended, because all the DMs that I got from people who also bought this tanrevel because of me were super positive, and I'm so happy about that, and I can show you why. First things first is skincare, right? So you have to prep your skin really well if you want your fake tan to look even and spotless. So yesterday I had a really nice, such a lovely facial, and it was a very deep facial. Actually, it was safe for pregnancy as well, but I'm not going to put anything on my face right now because I feel like it still needs to kind of like recover from the facial. I did use oil from Wishful Skin from Huda Beauty in the morning, so I'm just going to make sure to clean that. Obviously the oil can be a barrier between your skin and the fake tan, and we don't want that. I do want to show you guys some of my favorite products when it comes to prepping my skin for fake tan if I don't have a facial. So one of my favorite products at the moment is from Paris, and this is a exfoliating gel, which is kind of a weird gel because you don't know that it's exfoliating. You know what I mean? It feels like a cleanser, I would say. And first it feels really tacky, and then you just massage it into your skin, and then it turns into this beautiful, really lovely smelling oil, and then it becomes more oily, and then you just need to rinse it off. But it's weird, but it is a exfoliating oil gel, sorry, and then it turns into an oil. But this is so good. So I didn't know this brand, but like everything I use from them now is just really nice. Second product that I really like is, obviously I use one of these products, not all of them. I'm just going to give you guys some options, or not options, or just show you guys products that I really love. So this is Wishful Skin, and this is the enzyme scrub. I feel like this is really I feel very clean after using this. I feel like it does get rid of my dead skin, and I can just feel that it's way more clean, and it's not too heavy because I personally don't like using scrubs. I have one exception, by the way, but this is a very nice, it's a scrub, but I feel like it's more of a, I don't know, a very mild scrub. Okay, so Wishful Skin, if you have sensitive skin, it's beautiful as well. Then we have Paula's Choice. This is the Unscrub, which is also one of my fave. This is actually, when you first look at it, when you first feel it, you would say like, ooh, the scrub is a little bit more on the thicker side, but once you like massage this into your skin, usually I use this when I'm in the shower, then you can just feel the scrub parts melting, and they're just going to become so soft, and the cream is just going to become so soft. So if you have like, if you love that soft feeling, it also leaves your skin a little bit with that creamy feeling, while it also cleanses your pores. Then the Unscrub from Paula's Choice is really one of my fave. If you want to go a little bit more heavy, I would say if you have more oily skin, I have dry skin, I really love this one as well, but if you have oily skin, I think you will like love it more. This is Summer Fridays, and this is a overtime mask, which is also exfoliating. So this smells like winter, like cinnamon, pumpkin, like very like herbally spicy, like really good. And you can just use this as a scrub, and then you just leave it on like that. It's just going to tingle a little bit, and it's just going to leave you with that pepperminty feeling afterwards. But you can just leave that on for 10 minutes, and it's going to like function as a mask as well. So these are some of the products that I use when I want to like exfoliate my skin and prepare my skin for the fake tan. This is my second bottle already. This is how the device looks like. If you're going to order a box like this one is empty right now, but it comes with the bottle, and then it comes with the device, and then you have this little charger. You can just charge the device for 2 hours, and that way it's just going to give that full spray power. That is not even English, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So the device, this is my second bottle, and then the device and the bottle. Before I'm going to show you how you can use this is a question that I get a lot. If you are pregnant, like, is it safe to use? Obviously, I'm not going to tell you what to do. You have to do what feels right with you. I did some research. I know that the DHA, which is the active ingredient that actually makes that actually is going to deliver the tan, is 100% naturally sourced from tanrevel. And I know that all of the other ingredients are safe to use during pregnancy. However, I do have to say that I would personally avoid professional spray tans. Why? Because you're in a cabin, you're going to inhale a lot of that DHA, and you don't know if it's naturally sourced, yes or no. This formula is also vegan, and the room is always, like when I'm doing this, I always have a window open. And I also use something on my lips, you know, like some sort of oil or whatever, so that it creates a barrier between, you know, my lips. So I personally feel very safe to use this. But as I said, you have to do your own research on that and obviously do what feels right with you. With that being said, let's go. Okay, so you just open the device like this, right? I cannot wait to get my shows together, like my tan. I have a nail appointment very soon, hair appointment. I'm so excited to look like me again. There is still a little bit of spray tan left in this device, but I'm just going to show you guys how you can use this. So you just open it like this, you just squeeze it one time, right? And then you just drop this right here. Is it focused? Like that, until you think it's like full enough. And then you can just close it with the silicone thing, pop this back on, and then once you open it, the spray already comes out. So you have to keep like 10 to 15 centimeters distance. I'm not going to talk while I'm going to do this because I don't want to inhale anything. And then you just make like slow motions. You can start from the T-zone, you can start from your cheeks, whatever you like. The machine turns off after 45 seconds automatically, and then you can just wait for 2-3 minutes, and then you can just do another layer. I personally love to do a few layers, and then I will tell you guys more about the body part, because you guys always ask, like, you do your face, but what about your body? Okay, here we go before I talk too much. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is one layer, and you can already see like a very natural tan. But the tan develops between like 30 and 60 minutes. But I personally like to wait until the next day, and then I really like my tan the best because I feel like it looks, I don't know, like it looks very natural. I do prefer creams and lotions when it comes to my body, because I feel like that way you can just work a little bit more on your face. You just want to work precise, and when it comes to your body, you just want to work a little bit not so perfect, I guess, because otherwise you can just see, especially right here, you can always see like this line, which I personally don't like. So you can use this device for your body as well. I like to take my neck with this a little bit, but then I just go in with a lotion that I like, with a cream that I like. And I use so many different brands actually when it comes to my body. I don't prefer one brand, but when it comes to the product itself, I do prefer a lotion, body lotion, cream kind of thing. And then I just like to, I don't really prefer mousses, like a mousse, because a mousse, you have to work pretty precise with that as well. And I personally like just body lotions. So you can just kind of like build during the days, if that makes sense, instead of just like going all in with one color, unless there's a shoot, unless there's a wedding, unless you have something really big coming up. And you don't have time to tan. As I said, I'm going in with another layer, maybe like even 2 layers, and then I'm just going to let this sit for a few hours and then show you guys the end result. I'm back, and this is how it looks like. It's been I don't have my phone with me. I think 3.5 or 4 hours, and I know it looks a little weird because my body is still pretty, pale, but I'm going to work on that tomorrow. I got cold, so that's why I got this fluffy vest. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I really like it. If I look very closely in the mirror, I can still see that my skin looks really nice and really good. I don't feel like I look like I have a fake tan on. Maybe now, yes, with the camera, with the lighting, but tomorrow when I just go back with my regular skincare and makeup, then you won't see anything. It just feels and looks very, very natural. It's 100% my favorite tanning product, and that is not because it's sponsored. I'm 100% confident that you guys will love it as well. But yeah, this is kind of like how I fake tan. I don't think it's over the top. I've used 3 layers, three. But you can go in with more if you prefer that. Anyways, I hope you guys find this video helpful. I know that they have a discount code as well. It's Halloween 20, and if I'm not wrong, the device is on sale anyways, so you can use the discount code 20% off of the sale price. I finally feel like I look a little bit more healthy, and I just can't wait to get my lashes together and just kind of like, feel a little bit more pretty and glammed up and confident again, because this pregnancy, this third trimester, is testing me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!